What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best USB flash drives in 2022. I've made this list based on storage capacity, read and write speeds, build quality, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an affordable model that can store your files or a premium model with class-leading data transfer speeds, we'll have the best USB flash drive for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're looking for an inexpensive USB flash drive that won't take up too much space and offers impressive all-around performance for the price, the Samsung Fit Plus is a great, affordable, and compact option to consider. Flash drives offer a convenient way to keep your important files safe and accessible, and the Samsung Fit Plus provides a solid combination of affordability, data transfer speeds, build quality, and storage capacity. It has a low-profile design that won't stick out too much and a much more compact frame than the other options on this list, which makes it ideal as a semi-permanent external storage option for older or smaller devices. Unfortunately, the space-saving design might be somewhat easy to misplace, but it has a dedicated keychain attachment to keep it tethered and secure. It's also surprisingly robust considering the size and comes with shock, magnet, temperature, X-ray, and water resistance, so you can be sure it'll hold up over time. The 5-year warranty is also solid and can provide additional longevity. Starting at only $10, it comes in a range of storage capacities from 32 to 256 gigabytes to store your important documents or media library. While it doesn't offer the same read and write speeds of premium options, it's surprisingly snappy for the price and can deliver data transfer read speeds of up to 200 megabytes per second and respectable write speeds around 60 megabytes per second, which makes it ideal for storage files that don't need quick, real-time access. It doesn't feature modern USB-C connectivity like the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive USB-C SDDC2, but it supports USB 3.1 connectivity and is backwards compatible with USB 2.0 ports. The Samsung Fit Plus isn't the most advanced or powerful option on the market, but you get a solid amount of storage space, a surprisingly heavy-duty build, and impressive performance for the size and price. If you don't want to spend too much money on a USB flash drive and just want an affordable model that can nail the basics and deliver solid speeds, this might be your best bet. For anyone who wants a flexible USB flash drive that can connect to everything from older Windows PCs to newer MacBooks, the SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive USB-C SDDC2 is my choice as the most versatile drive in 2022. SanDisk has a few solid offerings to choose from, and the versatile Ultra Dual Drive USB-C offers a convenient dual connector design that's compatible with almost any device and decent read and write speeds for the price and size. It has a compact design that only measures around 0.37 by 1.5 by 0.79 inches, and it's available in storage configurations ranging from 32 to 256 gigabytes depending on your needs. Unlike the previously mentioned Samsung Fit Plus, it features a USB-A connector for PCs on one end and a USB-C connection on the other end for newer products like smartphones, which allows you to easily access or transfer files on nearly any device. I also like that the connectors are retractable into the body, so you can reduce the risk of damage to the drive and keep your important information protected. It's not going to deliver the same read and write speeds as more expensive options like the Kingston DataTraveler Max, but the 150 megabyte read and write speeds are solid considering its current starting price of around $11, and it offers more versatile compatibility. You can also pair it with the SanDisk Memory Zone companion app to manage, backup, or transfer files from your phone to the drive for more additional space, although the app's only compatible with Android devices. Unfortunately, it can get a bit hot with prolonged usage, but it also comes with a 5-year limited manufacturer warranty if any issues arise. The SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive USB-C can't match the speeds of premium options, but it offers more versatile connectivity than the other options on this list, a useful companion app, and solid all-around performance. This is a great choice if you want a reasonably priced USB drive that can easily transfer files between older or newer computers and smartphones with respectable speeds. Some people might be looking for a solid USB flash drive with a rugged design that can keep your information safe. The Corsair Flash Survivor Stealth is my choice as the most rugged option in 2022. Corsair's Flash Survivor Stealth USB drive comes with a sturdy, waterproof design that's built to last, plenty of storage space for your files, and decent all-around performance, which makes it an ideal choice for accident-prone individuals or frequent travelers. It has a cylindrical screw-top design with a sturdy aircraft-grade anodized aluminum outer casing that's built to last and a built-in key loop for convenience. While the design is bigger and bulkier than other drives in this range, like the SanDisk Extreme Pro USB SDCZ880 we'll mention shortly, it comes with an EPDM rubber seal that provides waterproofing up to 200 meters, a molded shock dampening collar to protect your information, and vibration resistance. I also like that it offers a generous 5-year warranty if any issues arise, so you can be sure it's a solid long-term storage investment. It's available in a range of configurations from 16 gigabytes to 1 terabyte and carries a current starting price of around $20, so you should easily be able to find one that meets your storage requirements. Unfortunately, it's not the newest model on this list and can't deliver lightning-fast transfer rates like the DataTraveler Max, but the overall performance is solid and it delivers read speeds up to 85 megabytes per second and respectable write speeds. Even more, it offers USB-A 3.0 compatibility for improved speeds with compatible laptops and backwards compatibility with USB 2.0 ports for your older devices. While it doesn't offer the blazing fast speeds of premium models, the Corsair Flash Survivor Stealth is a more affordable and durable alternative that's perfect for anyone who doesn't need top-tier performance. If you're looking for a solid all-around option that can get the job done and withstand some punishment over time, this might be the ideal choice for you. For anyone who wants a USB flash drive that comes with an outstanding mixture of speedy data transfer rates, build quality, and included security features, the SanDisk Extreme Pro USB SDCZ880 is my choice as the best overall option in 2022. SanDisk's Extreme Pro USB SDCZ880 is a high-end solid-state flash drive that offers several security features to keep your information private, useful bundled companion software, and outstanding read and write speeds for larger files. Like the Corsair Flash Survivor Stealth USB drive we mentioned before, it has a sturdy aluminum casing that can withstand some long-term punishment and an integrated key loop for safekeeping. The current starting price of around $40 might make it a little too expensive for some people, but SanDisk provides a class-leading lifetime warranty to guarantee long-term performance. Unfortunately, it doesn't offer USB-C connectivity, but it has a USB Type-A 3.2 connection for more efficient data transfers and backwards compatibility with USB 3.0 and 2.0 ports. Unlike the Kingston DataTraveler Max, it also comes bundled with secure access software, which features 128-bit AES encryption to protect your sensitive information. It's available in configurations of 128 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabyte, depending on your storage needs. Overall, it delivers outstanding read speeds up to 420 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 380 megabytes per second, which is much faster than the cheaper models mentioned and ideal for transferring larger files. But the performance can be somewhat inconsistent and prone to slowdowns. Even more, it's compatible with the Rescue Pro companion software, so you can easily back up your important information for safekeeping and recover lost or damaged files. The SanDisk Extreme Pro USB SDCZ880 isn't quite as fast as the Kingston DataTraveler Max, but it comes with more in-depth security features and delivers faster speeds than most other competitors. I would recommend this if you're okay with spending a bit more and want a powerful option that can transfer larger amounts of data with impressive speeds and solid efficiency. If money isn't an object and you're looking for a high-end USB flash drive that offers superior read and write speeds to most other models on the market, the Kingston DataTraveler Max is my choice as the best premium option in 2022. The Kingston DataTraveler Max costs more than the other options on this list, but it comes with near universal OS compatibility, high-capacity storage configurations, and top-tier data transfer speeds that nearly rival Thunderbolt-enabled SSDs. Despite its compact design that only measures 3.24 by 0.87 by 0.36 inches, it's available in high-capacity storage configurations from 256 gigabytes to 1 terabyte. It has a retractable plastic frame to connect it or keep it protected when not in use, a notched surface on the front to get a good grip when sliding the cover, and an integrated keyring loop for peace of mind. The USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 input is also compatible with a range of modern devices and operating systems, including Windows 11, Mac OS 10.14 or newer, Chrome OS, and more, though it lacks a USB-A port like the Ultra Dual Drive USB-C we mentioned earlier. The current starting price of around $62 is justified by the outstanding read speeds of up to 1,000 megabytes per second and write speeds up to 900 megabytes per second, which makes it ideal for professional videographers or creatives, though it needs an equally powerful computer for optimal performance. On the inside, it utilizes a Silicon Motion SM2320 UFD controller, which improves its performance by always operating at the fastest speeds available and effectively dissipates heat. Unfortunately, it lacks bundled security software and advanced features like file encryption, but it's still a reasonably safe, effective way to store or transfer files. The Kingston DataTraveler Max is the best premium option because of its high-quality internal chipset to improve performance, compact stature, and faster read and write speeds than the previously mentioned options. If you can afford the price and want a high-end compact flash drive that provides ample storage capacity for your files and outstanding data transfer speeds, this might be the ideal choice for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.